Yeah, for sure we are not happy with the way we played first and foremost in a game against Garafa, but you know it's in the past. It's in the past. All we need to do is to react and to show that that was just a bad day, as they say, bad day in the office, and to get a result that we want against Al Khor, which is not going to be an easy thing to do, because although their position in the table suggests that this, is going to be an easy game, but we know, and myself for sure know that it's going to be a very tough one, very difficult one, because this team of Al Khor, I don't think they deserve to be in this position. At least they don't deserve to have that amount of points that they have. So we need to be, fully focused and ready, because it's going to be a very tough game. And as I said in the beginning, we want to show reaction after what we did in a game against Garafa, and we want to get something out of this game. And of course, we are planning to win this game. And in order to do that, we will need to be much better than we were against Al Garafa.
الغرافة فريق كبير مو في كلام عليه، بس يعني مباراة الخور راح تكون عودة لسكة الانتصارات إن شاء الله. لا طبيعي لأن الجمهور متعود على الفوز من بداية الموسم. صراحة الفريق مقدم يعني مستوى كويس جدا، فطبيعي إنه يكون زعلان علينا، يعني يكون خطوة حلوة لينا نكون بننافس على الدوري فيها.
Of course, I will not agree with that. We've already played without Julian this season, and I think we won the game. And and we played a good game. But let's be honest and let's be realistic about it. If you move any player of his quality from any team in the league, you will feel the difference. So it's maybe even more obvious with us. But I will not really think too much about these things, because he's a vital part of our team, and we are counting on him. He makes he makes us better. He makes every individual better, because he's this type of player. So we are happy, of course, that he's with us. But in the same time, we need to accept the fact that sometimes he will not be there, or he will not be decisive player on the pitch. And we need to have enough players on the pitch that they can make the difference. So it's important for sure. He's one of the best in the league, but also I believe that we can cope without him when we need to do it like this.
لا الفريق يلعب كمنظومة واحدة. احنا عندنا اوكي يعني لاعب زي دراكسلر لاعب مهم في المنظومة، بس احنا نلعب منظومة واحدة. ممكن نقول شوي لأن شوي هجوميا، لكن نتكلم عن منظومة على روح الفريق تتم واحدة.